Welcome back to Learn Some Torah together. I'm glad you're with me. Kedoshim is the parsha that we're reading this week. Kedoshim translates as holiness. And in this week's parsha are many different laws about what holiness is in terms of action. It's the way we dress, it's what we wear, it's the fibers that are in the clothes that we wear, it's the food that we eat, it's the blessings that we say, it's the way that we talk, it's the way we behave. There are so many laws that relate to the idea of Kedoshim, of holiness. But what does the word holiness truly mean? We use it often. That's a holy man, this is holy time. What does the word holy mean? Let's begin with things that we know. On Friday nights and holidays, we make something called kiddush, or kiddush, where we fill a cup of wine and we bless it. Kiddush is kodesh, it's holy. We also know that time is holy. Shabbat is holy. Holy days are holy. What makes them kodesh? What makes them holy? We also know that in prayers, certain prayers are holy. We say in the Amidah, Kiddusha, a holy segment of prayers that are designated as just that. We also know that there's Mortis Kaddish, Long Kaddish, Half Kaddish, Rabbinic Kaddish. That also translates as holy. And also, adding to this is that in a marriage ceremony, when the would-be husband is proposing, he says these words as he places the ring on her finger, Harayat Mekudeshet Li, you are Kodesh to me. So what does the word Kodesh mean, really? And what is holy? And we, by the way, too, are also called Am Kodesh. We're also called a holy people. What does this all mean? First of all, Kodesh is something that is segregated. It's something that's separate, not easily categorized. Everything neatly fits into categories in our mind the way that we figure out where things belong. But when things go outside of the realm of that which is usual, those things are designated as Kodesh, sacred, holy. There are holy places. For example, the temple was a holy place, and the synagogue or sanctuary is a holy place. What makes it holy is that it, again, is segregated, different from all else, like not easily categorized. Therefore, it's the other. In fact, by the way, many people say that that's the true translation of the word Kodesh, that which is other. But let's go down deeper. When we make Kiddush on Friday nights, for example, is the wine that we put into the cup holy? No. What makes the event holy is when we bless the wine that we're holding in our hand. So it's the action that creates the event. Shabbat comes once a week. If we don't recognize Shabbat as being holy, if it's just like Saturday or like any other day of the week, is it actually holy? No, because we're not seeing it, we're not participating, we're not making it holy by what we do. And that's why the parsha is replete with so many different ideas about what we're supposed to do in order to live a holy life. We are not holy until we make ourselves holy receptacles by what we do, the way we treat the earth, the way we treat each other, the way we respect and respond to God. All of these things matter. And we have the potential to become holy vessels by what we do in our life. That's the direction side that this week's parsha points us in. We can be holy, as well as events and time and space. We too have that great potential to be holy, Kodesh vessels.